It may look like I'm just horsing around,
Got it.
but this was a brief glimpse of what it's like to be a firefighter.
Does that feel good?
The scariest part, spending more than 10 minutes inside this burning building, where it feels like all your senses go up in smoke.
Like sight, your hearing's a little off. The heat alone is screaming at you in your head.
This was FireOps 101, where the San Bernardino County Fire Department invited elected leaders and members of the media to catch a glimpse of what firefighters go through every day. From medical calls to accident scenes to attacking structure fires. These were all simulations. Still, the smoke and fire was quite real. But before going in, safety preps were extensive. Boots, pants, a jacket, and all the other protective gear.
It's nice and tight. Well, there you go. How's that?
It was all heavy and claustrophobic, tough to move around. Finally, it was time to go in. This is what it looks like. At first, it's not that hot. But then the fire grows, the smoke starts to fill the room, and before long, it's pitch black. After more than 10 minutes, with temperatures between 200 and 300 degrees, and after using a fire hose to try to put the fire out, it was over.
It got really dark. The black smoke just enveloped me, and then my fingers started burning.
Along the way, I learned a few things about what to keep in mind at home. As strange as it sounds, firefighters say you might want to sleep with your bedroom doors closed.
By closing the doors, as dad, they're keeping the AC regulated in my house, right? Okay, Southern California stuff. But they're also stopping the lateral spread of fire.
And fires burn much hotter and faster than they used to because of everything inside the home.
Petroleum-based products, LCD screens, carpeting, window treatments and curtains, the coffee table that's made of some weird polyurethane or plastic, right? That stuff is not what we used to put in homes in the 50s.
Above all else, have an exit plan for the entire family.
If you can get out of that house, get out of that house.
In San Bernardino, Rob McMillan, ABC7 Eyewitness News.